Hello everyone, welcome to Vaish IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free UPSC MCQ series. So on daily basis, we will be dealing 5 MCQs. So today's episode is about math, aptitude and reasoning. So as part of Plum series, daily 5 MCQs will be dealt at 9 p.m. So sir will also take few lectures. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. So solve 5 MCQs daily from different subjects with us at 9 p.m. Okay, so you need to do 2 steps to get free classes. First step is to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and second step is to save this number, that is 7200681675. You can WhatsApp this number if you have any doubts regarding the foundational videos, or if you have doubts regarding any other things. Okay, you should WhatsApp to this number. So if you have doubts regarding test series also, you can WhatsApp to this number, and also foundational videos. And coming to the lectures, there are lots of free content which is already available in the channel. So subscribe our channel and click the notification bell icon. Now let's solve today's MCQ, that is MCQ number 1. A number when divided by 5 leaves 3 as a remainder. What will be the remainder when the square of this number is divided by 5? So let's take the number as x. If x is divided by 5, they told that the remainder will be 3. So x by 5, the remainder is 3. And they have asked x square, that is square the number when it is divided by 5, what will be the remainder? So if x by 5 is 3, x square can be written as x into x by 5. So x by 5, for x by 5, the remainder is 3, and the other x by 5, the remainder is again 3. So 3 into 3. So 3 into 3, it's nothing but 9. 9 by 5. Okay, 9 by 5, the remainder is 4. 9 by 5, the remainder is 4. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. Anand, Bhagya, Chirag, Dhanush, Ishwar, Fatima and Gagana are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Gagana is second to the left of Chirag, who is to the immediate left of Fatima. Anand is third to the left of Ishwar. Bhagya is between Dhanush and Ishwar. So there are total 7 people: Anand, Bhagya, Chirag, Dhanush, Ishwar, Fatima and Gagana. So I have drawn the round table, and they are facing towards the center as per the question. So Gagana is second to the left of the Chirag. So we have to take Chirag's position. So I am randomly taking Chirag's position here, and Gagana is second to the left of Chirag. So we have to count. Left of Chirag, as they are facing center, is the arrow, so the direction will be this side. So left of Chirag, the second place is Gagana. The next data that is given is Gagana is second to the left of Chirag, who is to the immediate left of Fatima. So Chirag is immediate left of Fatima, so I am taking F here. There is Fatima here. Anand is third to the left of Ishwar. So the other data which is given is Bhagya is between Dhanush and Ishwar. So Dhanush and Ishwar can be here or here. So there are 2 possibilities. And the other data we missed out is Anand is third to the left of Ishwar. If you considered Ishwar in this particular place where I have circled, so Anand will be here, placed here. And if Ishwar is placed here, if Ishwar is placed in this particular place, the red rounded place, the third place will be obviously some different person is there. So if that is Fatima is there in the third place, so Ishwar cannot be there. So we have to, one second, I'll remove the data. Okay, Ishwar is in the, Ishwar is here, and Dhanush is here, and Anand is here. So this is the particular place. So which of the following is true? Option A is Chirag is fourth to the left of Bhagya. If you take Bhagya, if you take Chirag's count, Chirag is 4 to the left of Bhagya. If you count Bhagya's left, Anand is 4 to the left of Bhagya. So option A is wrong. So second option is Anand is to the immediate right of Gagana. So Gagana's immediate right is definitely Anand itself. So option B is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. So option B is the correct answer. So the similar question, Anand, Bhagya, Chirag, Dhanush, the same question which we have done previously, but they are asking the different data. You have to find out this answer. This is the homework to you today. Okay, the same thing, the same process, do once again by yourself so that it will become a practice. Or else, if you have not understood, you watch the previous question and try to solve the question according to the options. So the question is same, but the data that is given in the option is different. That's it. So now let's solve MCQ number 4. Okay. In 2016, Ritu read 12 English books and 9 Hindi books. In 2017, she read twice as many Hindi books as English books. If 60% of the books that she read during the 2 years were Hindi, how many books did she read in 2017? So basically, they have given the data of 2016 and they're asking something else. Okay, let the number of the English books Ritu read in the year 2017. As per the question, they have not given any data. So let's take it as X. So the value, let's take it as X. So number of Hindi books she read in 2017 is twice. So it will become 2x. As per the question, they have told that it is 2x. She read twice. So therefore, total books read by her in this 2 years, total is 21 plus 3x, 2x plus x, and as per the data in 2016, 21 plus 3x into 60 by 100, that is 60% of the books. So they have given that 60% of the 60% of the books that she read during the 2 years is Hindi. How many books did she read in 2017? So 60%, let's take one second, let's write it. So 21 plus 3x is the total number of books. 60% of these books are Hindi. So Hindi books are 2x plus, in the 2016 the data is 9. Okay, Hindi books are 9 as per the question. If you solve this question, you will get it as 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 3s are 2 5s are 21 into 3 is 63 plus 9x is equal to 10x plus 45. So if you solve this equation, 10x minus 9x is x is equal to 63 minus 45, that is 18. Okay, x value we have got it as 18, and what did they asked in the question? Let's see. Okay, x value we have got it as 18, but they have something else. How many books did she read in the 2017? So 2017 is nothing but 2x plus x. As we have taken 2x plus x is nothing but 3x, so 3 into 18, that is 54 is the correct answer for the question number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. Anand has to cover 60 km distance, but after traveling 1/3 of the distance, he gets tired, so he reduces his speeds to 3/4. Again, he covers the same distance and further reduces his speed to half of the current speed and reaches 30 minutes late. What is the usual speed? Okay, now let's take the original speed be x km per hour, and the time taken, we have to take total time. So time is nothing but speed is equal to distance by time, right? Time is equal to distance by distance, speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So distance in the first case is 20 by x plus, so the same distance he covered, 20 by 3/4 of the 3/4 of the thing, plus again if the speed becomes half, 3 by 8 into x. Okay, now let's take it as 3 by 8 into x. Okay, if you solve this equation, you will get it as 20 by x plus 80 by 3x plus 160 by 3x. This is the total time that is taken, that is 100 by x hours. So the total time he would have taken if he had travelled complete distance at the original speed. So if the total original speed, if he had travelled the total distance at 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 60 kilometers in the x kilometers per hour, the time taken will be 60 by x. So what is the difference in the time taken? So he have covered some, he have taken the time something else and the original time will be something else. So we have to see the difference. The difference is given as half an hour as per the question. So 100 by x minus 60 by x is half an hour. If you solve this equation, 100 minus 60 is 40 by x is equal to half an hour. So x is equal to 80 kilometers per hour. So x is the answer is 80 kilometers per hour. That is option C is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. I hope so you have enjoyed this video. So please wait for the next episode and stay tuned to Vaishai's YouTube